Welcome, fourth grade. We'll be spending another week on the division strategy partial quotients. Also, the challenge problems this week for you are really based on algebraic reasoning. So just have some fun with thinking about, how the two sides are equal and what letters may cancel out to solve for the unknown. Again, if you have questions, please be willing to ask, but give yourself a chance to think critically and see what you can come up with. So let's look at these. When you look at these division strategies, because we haven't really done any division strategies this year, your goal is to come up with two different strategies for using partial quotients when you do your learning opportunity. So we have 225, and we're sharing that. Let's say we have M&Ms. So we have 225 M&Ms to share with 9 people. We're going to share equally. So what if we gave everybody 10? That would be 90. Give everybody 10. That would be 90. Oh, 45 left. Well, we know 9 fives is 45. So in other words, everybody would get 25. Or maybe we might have looked at it this way. Maybe if we thought about another way to be a little more efficient, because 225 is a rather large value, instead of counting by tens, what if we thought, well, what if we started by counting by 20s? 9 20s is 180. We'd be left with 45. So that'd be a total of 5. Again, either way, we still come up with that answer of 25. Again, just think about the most efficient way to solve it. What if we had 128 Skittles? And we want to share 128 Skittles with 7 of our friends. Sorry about that. I apologize for that mistake. Let's erase that and come back. So we have our 128 Skittles. Let's see about sharing that with 7 friends. Well, maybe we share 10 with everybody right off the bat. That's 70. We still have 58 left. We know 7 eighths is 56, so we have 2. So actually this is going to be, we're going to have 18 with the remainder of 2. So we can say, well, hey, we're going to let those 2 be left over. Or fractionally, if we had the 2 bars to represent the 2 that are left over, we can think about breaking this up into 7. So then 1/7 of this one, 1/7 of this one. So in other words, everybody's going to get 18 2/7 of a Skittle. So we can either look at it with the remainder, or fractionally, if we want to make sure we shared all the Skittles, everybody would get 18 2/7. Let's look at the next one. We have a situation where we have 233, and we're going to share that with 6. Well, here, hopefully we realize, well, 6 tens is only 60. 6 20s is 120. What about 6 30s? What if I automatically gave everybody 30? Because 6 30s is 180. 53 left over. We know 6 eighths is 48. The remainder of 5. So again, we could have 38 with the remainder of 5. Or if we think about fractionally, if we're going to share all of our items, well, if we think about, we could take 1/6 of each one of them. So 1/6, then we have 5, remainder of 5, so 5 1/6s. So our answer would be 38 and 5/6 if we shared everything equally. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of more opportunity to work with division strategy partial quotients, and also if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out and ask. All right, thanks guys.